Gosto direito. Como é que fala, né? Gosto direito. Que coisa. Calma, tô aqui, monsieur. Muito tomba. Quanto tomba?
So, I have this cute little dog, and his name is. Yes, I know I'm talking about you. So, I got a cute dog. His name is Tommy, but we sometimes call him Tommy Tarantino because he kind of likes feet. Most specifically, socks. So when I my Erebor inspired socks, he was all over them, and he keeps sniffing them all the time. I guess because there's still like some sheep smell in there. So I guess he's very intrigued by them. So I was thinking, I got all this yarn left over, and I should maybe knit him a pair of his own. Let's see how it turns out. I forgot to mention, he has his own pair. This is a sock, my first ever sock I knitted on my knitting machine, and it was kind of a failure. And yeah, he claimed it as his own. So now, as you can see, he played with it a little bit. He loves it. So, I'm sure he'll love this project. I'm pretty sure he'll love the project. So, as you may, yes, I know I'm making you some socks. So, as you may have guessed, I cannot find any sock pattern online for dogs, so we'll guess this one. I guess let's start with like 10 in the round, maybe. Let's try it and see if it fits. Because he seems to have big feet, but it's only the floof going sideways, so he has very, very thin paws. So I feel like 10 stitches, maybe? Let's try it out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this might be a bit small. Let's go for 15. 15, yeah. 15, 20. Let's go for 15. And then we'll do like a quote-unquote gauge swatch in the round. And then it's 14 and 15. So let me spread those on some needles, do my gauge swatch, and I'll be back.
Come here. Easy. So, yes. Give me your paw. Oh, yes. Like. Sit. 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 Come on. Sit. Yes, good girl. No. What's your rest? All right. Let's find out if this fits. Whew. I think our gauge is a little bit tight. All right, I think we need to add like maybe 5 more. Give me your paw. Your dirty paw. We just came back from outside. We went for a walk, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but... All right. So, 5 more stitches probably.
Many minutes later.
No. Easy. Push. Really pat là. Yeah. Try one on. Can I have your paw? I want your paw. I'll take this one then. Can I grab your paw? Thank you. Does this fit? Oh, you're not sure. Yeah, the little kisses. It fits. It fits. Are you Cinderella? Are you my Cinderella? All right, so this fits. Let's frog this and then start because I want some ribbing on it because his little paws are super thin there but thicker there, so we'll want like a little squeeze. Yeah, you can go now. You can go now. You're gonna stay now? Yeah, little boy. Does it smell good? Is it good sock yarn? Bye-bye. So we've achieved the length that we want. This is like the ribbing part. This is the more stockinet part. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna put all the stitches on 2 needles and then sew the toe up. So I think that's the plan. Let's do it. So we got everything on two needles now. So let's sew them up together. Can't wait to be able to match socks with my doggo. It'll be so cute. So stupid, but so cute. It's one of those projects that like are kind of pointless, but so fun to make. I love making those sometimes. You don't always have to make like super serious project. I like to do the stupid ones every now and then. And we got a sock! It's super small, but it's very stretchy though, so it should fit. I will not show you just yet. I will wait for the last reveal. But yeah, I'll go try this on my dog to make sure it fits, and then I'll knit the second one, and I will see you again during the reveal.
So yeah, that was a very, very fun project to make. A bit of a dumb project, but I think he's happy. Are you happy? Are you happy, Doggo? Are you happy, Dog? Yes, you are. And there's the jealous Doggo. Next project is for you. Yeah, so Laika doesn't like socks as much as Tummy does, but she likes other stuff. She likes little sweaters. So I think I'll make her a little sweater next. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this this little silly video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Ouais, deuxième petit petit bas. Deuxième petit petit bas.